How is it going, crypto enthusiasts? I hope you are having a great day. In this video I'm excited to show you how to make a deal using OpenSea's new feature called Make a Deal. As you can see it here. This new feature was introduced on OpenSea a couple of weeks ago. It is essentially like bartering with NFTs. You can trade, for example, one Bored Ape Yacht Club for two cool cats. It's like bartering in the old times with shells or horses. Right now you don't pay any royalties for OpenSea and no fees, just the gas fee for the transaction. This can be big actually, because this can change the whole ecosystem on OpenSea. Let's see, for example, if you think that this reference worth a different price and it's not reasonable in your interpretation, two parties can decide to change NFTs, just one NFT for another, set up a different price and value for themselves. So let's get started. You need to click on Make a Deal function, and over here you need to paste the Ethereum address or username of the other party that you want to make a trade with. I already copied it and pasted it. Let's click on it, and over here you see what NFTs the other party holds. I'm gonna go with this Frank Stella Geometries NFT that I'm aiming for. You can see it is selected. Let's click on next. In this window you see your NFTs that you are holding, and right now I'm gonna be offering this NFT for the other one, and optionally you can add some Ethereum to the deal over here, but this time I'm just gonna go with a single NFT, one NFT for the other. Over here let's click next. You can see an overview of the trade. You can set the duration of your offer from 30 minutes up to 1 month. I go with 1 hour for now. Let's click on Send Deal, and you need to verify the transaction using your wallet. I'm using MetaMask wallet in this case, so I just click Sign, and the deal is created, as you can see. So now I'm gonna ring my friend to accept the deal. Hello? Hey bro, it's me, Balint. I just sent you an offer using OpenSea's new feature. Can you please accept it? I'm making a YouTube video and it would be super important for my watchers. Using what feature? Using OpenSea's new feature called Make a Deal. Okay bro, give me a minute, I just woke up. Let's see. Let's click on deals, as I can see. Okay, here's my friend's offer. Click accept deal. Ooh, hefty transaction fee. No worries, I will help Balint. The transaction is pending, as I can see. Whew, I'm so tired. I can see the details of the trade, and the transaction is completed. It says accepted. Okay bro, thanks. It looks like the deal was accepted. Thanks buddy. And you can see that I have the new NFT here and I don't have the old one anymore. So this is how you can use the new feature on OpenSea to trade NFTs and barter one NFT for the other. Hope it was helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. See you guys next time for another tutorial.